why can't you divide by 0? Let's look at it in terms of speed, distance, and time. Suppose you're traveling from Ocherius to Kingston, right? And because of traffic and all sort of incidents happening on the road, you take about 3 hours. Say you have a lot of traffic in Kingston and you're going, for example, to Papine, right? Now you're in Ocherius to Kingston is a distance of about 83, and further distance is going through from Kingston is going to say 90 kilometers. All right, so you have 90 kilometers, and you are, say, in Ocherius at 12 noon. You arrive in Kingston at 3 p.m. at 3 o'clock. So you're taking you took 3 hours. You took 3 hours to travel. Now, speed is equal to distance divided by time. Speed is distance over time. The question is, what is your average speed at this time? What's your average speed? If at 12 o'clock you're in Ocherius, then in 3 o'clock you're in Kingston, then the distance is 90 kilometers and your time is 3 hours. So your average speed is 90 divided by 3, 30 kilometers per hour. Alright? So you travel at 30 kilometers per hour. Now, let's say you have another situation where you say you're going to Kingston and I see you in Ocherius at 12 o'clock. I come back at 3, and you're still sitting there at the same spot in Ocherius at 3 o'clock. It means that your distance now, in the next situation, the distance you travel is 0 kilometers because you did not move. Alright? You're sitting at the same spot in Ocherius at exactly 3 o'clock from 9 o'clock. So your distance is 0 kilometers and the time is still 3 hours. So your speed now is 0 divided by 3. It's 0 kilometers per hour because you did not cover any distance. That's the second situation. So that is your new speed. Let's look at a third scenario. Suppose I imagine that you are in Ocherius at 12 o'clock. Right? Let me get my spelling proper. So you're in Ocherius at 12 o'clock. And you're going to travel to Kingston. You travel to Kingston And it so happened that you travel so fast, you find yourself in Kingston at exactly 12 o'clock. No. What's your speed? Your speed is a distance 90 kilometers divided by time. But this is suggesting that you travel to Kingston in 0 hours, in 0 time. So you're trying to divide by 0. No. How would that really work out in reality? Is it possible to travel 90 kilometers in 0 time? No, it's not. Can't be. You can't be in Kingston at exactly 12 o'clock on January 30, 2017, say, and you travel to Kingston and reach at 12 o'clock on the same day, January 30, 2017. No, that can't be. That is impossible. So therefore, you're trying to divide by 0 cannot work. Alright? So this is one of the reasons why you cannot divide by 0. If you could divide by 0, it would mean that you could travel 90 kilometers in 0 time. And that is impossible. You cannot travel any distance in 0 time. And therefore, this is one reason why trying to divide by 0 doesn't make sense. So, that is the case for today. Thank you very much. Later.